Welcome to GSR tutorials. As we all know that yesterday we discussed properties of rational numbers. Today we are going to solve some example problems in rational numbers. That is first example. How we can solve this expression in rational numbers. Let's solve. First of all, we can rearrange the all rational numbers. How we can rearrange? Bring some positive sides to positive side and negative side. That is 2 by 5 minus 6 by 5 plus 3 by 7 minus 13 by 7. By doing this, like, we can get easy calculations without complexity. Follow. What is the LCM of these two numbers? The LCM of these two numbers is 5. Then 5 1 ja 5, 1 2 ja 2, that is 1 into 2 minus 5 divided by 5, 1, 1 6 ja 6, that is 1 into 6 plus, what is the LCM of these two numbers? That is 7. 7 1 ja 7, 1 3 ja 3, that is 1 into 3 minus 7 divided by 7, 1. What is get a quotient? 1. 1 into 13, 13. Next, 1 into 2, 2 minus 6 by 5 plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 13 by 7. That is, what is the subtraction of 2 minus 6? That is minus 4 by 5. Because higher number sign comes to result. Plus minus 10 by 7. That is minus 10 by 7. Next, what is the LCM of 735? The LCM of 735, 5 7 is 35. What is the LCM of 5 7? The LCM of 5 7 is 35. That is 35. 5 7 ja 35. 7 4. That is 7 into minus 4 plus 7 5 ja 35. 5 into 10. That is minus 10 into 5. 7 4 ja, what is 7 4 28? That is minus 28. 10 5 ja 50, minus 50 by 35. Then minus 28 minus 50 by 35, that equals to minus 78 by 35. This is the final result. This way we can do calculation of these two numbers. First, what we did, first of all, we rearrange the fractions to get simplification of calculations. We arranged this. How we arranged? By considering the denominator same to get LCM easier. That is by taking same denominator one side and same denominator another side. That is 2 by 5 minus 6 by 5, 3 by 7 minus 13 by 7. Then by doing LCM of these two numbers, next these two numbers. Then by doing calculation, we get the final result minus 78 by 35. This way we can solve this example very clearly. Now we are going to solve another example in rational numbers, that is additive inverse of rational numbers. We need to find additive inverse of these two numbers. First of all, what is meant by additive inverse? When we add two rational numbers, we get the result 0. This property is known as additive inverse. Then what is the additive inverse of 2 by 7? What we do to get result 0? By adding another number with this number. That is, the additive inverse of 2 by 7 is minus 2 by 7. Additive inverse of 2 by 7 is minus 2 by 7. Because 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7. What is the result of 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7? That is 0. Additive inverse of another number is 2 by 7 is minus 2 by 7. By adding these two numbers, we get 0. This is the property of additive inverse. This way we can find the additive inverse of any number. Suppose, what is the additive inverse of this number? What we need to add to get 0? That is minus of minus 11 by 5. That is minus into minus plus. That is equals to 11 by 5. Because minus 11 by 5 plus 11 by 5. What we get result? minus plus same rational numbers, that is 0. Next, hence additive inverse property valid. This way we can find the additive inverse by doing this. Like, we are going to discuss another example problem, that is how we solve this expression in simple way. Let's follow. First of all, rearrange all the rational numbers according to simplification of calculation, that is 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 9, that is minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 4 plus 23 by 180, that is 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 9, that is minus of plus minus of 1 by 9 into 3 by 4 plus 23 by 180. Here minus 1 by 9 is common by taking away, that is minus 1 by 9 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Here we used distributivity of multiplication over addition property. As earlier we discussed this property. What is that property? Distributivity of multiplication over addition, that is minus 1 by 9 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 4. By doing calculation again we get this. Then we can take minus 1 by 9 as common, then plus 23 by 180 minus 1 by 9. Next we do LCM. What is the LCM of 5 4? The LCM of 5 4 is 20, that is 5 4 ja 20, 4 into 2 plus 4 5 ja 20, 5 into 3 plus 23 by 180. Next, do see here. Next, what is the calculation of this? That is minus 1 by 9 into 4 2 ja 8, 5 3 ja 15 by 20 plus 23 by 180. Next, add minus 1 by 9, 15 plus 8, that is, what is the 15 plus 8? 23 by 20 plus 23 by 180. Next, do multiplication. Minus 23 by 180 plus 23 by 180, that equals to 0. We get final result 0. What we did here, first of all, we rearranged the rational numbers according to easier calculation. First of all, we took multiplication terms one side, that is 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 4. Then we take common minus 1, because in these two numbers minus 1 by 9 is common. Then we took common. Then we did LCM, and then we did calculation, and then again we did LCM with this number. Then we get final result 0. This way we can solve this complex problem into simple technique. Now we are going to discuss another example. What is the question? Find product of reciprocals of minus 9 by 2, 5 by 18 and add the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 to the product. What is the result? First of all, we need to understand the question. We need to find the product of these two rational numbers. What is the reciprocal of minus 9 by 2? That is reciprocal of minus 9 by 2. What is the reciprocal of any number? How we find reciprocal of any number? Suppose A. What is the reciprocal of A? That is by inversing it. That is 1 by A. This way we can find the reciprocal of any number. Next, what is the reciprocal of minus 9 by 2? That is minus of 1 by 9 by 2. That is minus 2 by 9 is the reciprocal of minus 9 by 2. Next, reciprocal of 5 by 18. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 18? That equals to 1 by 5 by 18. That equals to 18 by 5 is a reciprocal of 5 by 10. That is reciprocal of minus 9 by 2 is minus 2 by 9. Reciprocal of 5 by 18 is 18 by 5. Next, what we need to find? We will find product. We need to find product of these two reciprocals. That is product of these two reciprocals. That is minus 2 by 9 into 18 by 5. What is the reciprocal? Minus 18 to the, that is 36, 5 9s are 45. By dividing these two numbers, what we get? 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, that is minus 12 by 15. Again we divide with 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. What we get final result? Minus 4 by 5. We find the result of first problem, that is find the product of reciprocals of these two numbers. We find minus 4 by 5. What is the next question? Add the additive inverse of minus 4 by 2 to the product. We need to add additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 to this number. Take a screenshot, I will erasing it. We get final result minus 4 by 5. That is what we get product of reciprocals of these two numbers is minus 4 by 5. We need to find additive inverse of this minus 4 by 5. Next question. That is additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 is equals to 4 by 5. Additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 is 4 by 5. Next we need to add additive inverse of this number and product of these two reciprocal numbers, that is this number. What is the result? That is 4 by 5 plus minus 4 by 5, that equals to 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, that equals to 0. Final result is 0. In this problem what we did we find the reciprocals of these two numbers and we did product of those reciprocals. What we get result? We get result minus 4 by 5. And next question, we need to find the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5. Next we need to add these reciprocal, and next we need to add inverse of this number to product of those reciprocals, that is 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, then we get the result 0. I hope everyone understand these example problems. If any doubts, please post in comment section. Please like, share, subscribe.